Granny's meatloaf. I love you, Meatloaf.
This is Meatloaf and just break your heart.
Hey, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making meatloaf. Do you like meatloaf? I freaking love meatloaf. I really like meatloaf. I like meatloaf for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, for all of those things. So stick around and I'll show you what I do with my leftovers. First things first though. That's better. If I don't put my hair up, people in the comment section are gonna freak out. 2 pounds of hamburger meat, 1 medium onion,
I'm just gonna cry about it. Some onion. This is love, okay? This is Meatloaf love right here. Because you just put sweat, tears, and everything into it. What onion?
1 bell pepper, diced, 3 cloves of garlic, about 1/3 of a cup of fresh basil. So you're gonna want to save just a little of the basil for the top. 3/4 cups crackers. I'm using crackers today, but you can use anything that you want. You can use breadcrumbs, oatmeal, potato chips. I've used Doritos before. That's what's great about meatloaf. You can usually just make it out of whatever you've got in the pantry.
You can even put diced tomatoes in there with some corn and some taco seasoning and put salsa on top. Really good.
Salt and pepper to taste. Oh, she ain't having it. 3 eggs. So I'm just folding it over and turning the bowl. So you definitely don't want to overmix this. Now onto the topping. 3/4 cups of ketchup, a teaspoon of vinegar, a tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic, a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, salt and pepper. You might have noticed that I did not put any ketchup in the hamburger meat. And that is because Jason would need it if I did. We're gonna let that bake for about 45 minutes. The next step is the most important. We have to play meatloaf for the meatloaf. If your meatloaf falls apart, it's still gonna taste great. It's done. Okay, we're gonna save this. Meatloaf gets the presidential treatment around here. I almost forgot. I'm just kidding, I would not do that. Granny's meatloaf. The drippings, now we're gonna use those. Good morning. It's the next day. I just believe that any leftover with a fried egg on top makes a fantastic breakfast. Meatloaf originally began as a breakfast food here in America. A meatloaf patty melt. This is if your meatloaf and your patty melt got married. This is what their baby would be.
That's the best meatloaf sandwich I've ever had.
If you like the video or if it helped you out in any way, please give me a thumbs up. It makes me happy and it really helps me out. I hope you will try my meatloaf. Y'all have a good one.